morning, everyone. I am Michael Joshua R. Huerta, and today we'll talk about Bernoulli's principle for ideal fluids. But first, who is Bernoulli?
Bernoulli equation is a fundamental principle in fluid mechanics that describes the behavior of ideal fluids. While ideal fluids are described as incompressible and have a steady and laminar flow, it also assumes that the friction is neglected due to the fluid's viscosity. Bernoulli's principle states that if the velocity of the fluid is high, the pressure is low. Conversely, if the fluid velocity is low, the pressure is high. Take note of that. So, this is the formula for Bernoulli's equation. P stands for pressure plus density and velocity, or the PV to the power of 2, or the kinetic energy, plus the potential energy, or the gravitational acceleration, multiplied by the elevation, and you get a constant. It is a constant equation on solving the Bernoulli's formula. Let's look on the example. Example 1 is the airplane flight and aerodynamics, the water flow in rivers, and hydraulic systems, medical services. Before we proceed, let us talk about the energy conservation. Do you know what's energy conservation, class? Anyone? Okay. When we say energy conservation, it refers to the efforts made to reduce the consumption of energy. The energy on Earth is not in unlimited supply. Furthermore, energy can take plenty of time to regenerate. This certainly makes it essential. Most noteworthy, energy conservation is achievable either by using energy more efficiently or reducing the amount of service usage. So, we can preserve energy by doing our best to conserve the energy and promoting energy conservation by using this formula. So let's talk about the formula of energy conservation. So, Bernoulli's equation expressed in relation to the law of conservation of energy. For the constant flow of any fluid, P plus 1 over 2 velocity squared plus PGH equals to constant. It is a constant solution, or the formula, which also demonstrates the law of conservation of energy, which Z represents the elevation of fluid above the fixed reference point. So, to solve energy conservation using the Bernoulli's equation, the integration of Euler's equation and the Bernoulli's equation, then the flow work plus kinetic energy plus potential energy, which is the constant. Under the action of the pressure, the fluid elements move a distance within time, change at time, the work done per unit time. Did you get that? So, let's move on to our next topic, the principle and the equation. Bernoulli's principle, formulated by Daniel Bernoulli, states that as the speeds of the moving fluid increases, the pressure within a fluid decreases. Although Bernoulli deduced the law, it was Leonhard Euler who derived Bernoulli's equation in its usual form in the year 1752.